Hi, and thanks for visiting on this video, because today I want to show you how you can upgrade your iMac RAM. If you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. And one more thing, on this channel you can learn more about specific product before you buy, so don't forget about this channel and click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much, so definitely in the future I will be able to help you again. This is iMac 2020 27-inch, and his RAM memory is very low, it's only 8 gig. Today I plan to change and upgrade the memory RAMs up to 32 gig, and I wanted to show you how to install and where to buy. So are you ready? Let's start. So I'm gonna shut down my computer right now. This is the RAM, is 32 gig. I'm gonna to show you. It's 16 gig and another 16 gig. Once my iMac will shut down, we'll be ready to start installing the RAM. First, what we need to do, we need to find this button to unlock this tray. I'm gonna use my key. And now just pull up. Simple. And you will see here two locks. Just press it and they will open. Here we can see two RAMs. So we just need to remove it. Just pull up. Okay, this is one RAM, and here is another RAM. This is the old one, 4 gig. What you need to do, just pull down. Okay, you will feel it. Just remember to put in the same place like it was before. Also remember that this should be on the left side, like I showing to you. Just little bit push. Just press, don't push too much. And click. Okay. So once again, you just push it here and just close it like that. Okay, now you need to close it. How to close? It's simple. You just press it and done. RAM has been installed, and now is the time when we're gonna check that everything is okay and it's working. So I'm gonna turn on iMac. iMac is starting. Loading everything, so should works. We will see in just a second, guys. My iMac has installation completed. Now it's 32 gig RAM. I upgraded from 8 gig RAM to up to 32, but of course it's up to you. You can upgrade 128 gig, 64, 16. It's definitely up to user. I decided to upgrade to 32 just because from 8 to 32 is far away, and I'm sure that my iMac will speed up now and it's enough to satisfy me. That will be very fast now. Don't forget that you need to keep your old RAM memory for warranty and for service. If something will happen with your iMac, you must to remove it, your RAMs, and you must to put the original one. So just keep it safe, and please care about it that will not get damaged, because just warranty will be counted if you have your old RAMs. Like I said on the beginning of this video, that I'm gonna to show you how to upgrade your RAM and how to do it very fast. we just need like 5 minutes to upgrade our RAMs. But now I just want to tell you where to buy. And remember that you should not go to Apple side, because there definitely you're gonna spend it a lot of money. You should do this much more smarter way and save a lot of money. If you like this way, if you like this idea which I'm giving to you right now, so remember that you must to do it. Just go to this video description, and there I provide you a link from the memory sites when you can easily find your memory. And now is the question, what if your model of iMac is different? That's why I provide you special link who direct you to the website when you can just choose your model, and there automatically will show you which RAM you should buy. And this way you 100% will buy the correct RAM, the correct model, and the installation will be 5 minutes, the delivery will be very fast, and you just can be happy from your iMac. This is all for today. I hope that you liked this video. If yes, please click like, and don't forget about this channel, don't forget about me, and just subscribe. Now I need your subscription to show you more and more video like this one. Thank you very much if you did, and of course see you in next video. If you have little bit more time, I recommend you to watch another video just what comes up now. If you don't have more time for today, so don't worry, because next week I'm gonna to show you another interesting video. So thanks once again for watching me, thanks for your time, and see you in next video. If you have questions regarding this one, I just want to tell you that comment below, I'm gonna to help you straight away, you will get answer. Cheers, and see you in next video next week.